This is second part of our setup tutorial, and once you have done the initial setup for your Lumia and you have reached to the home screen, so then there's one important thing that you should know actually. Windows Phone is all about integration, and as such it provides two tiles which integrate all the accounts that you have in one. So from all the contacts you can have all the information here. We have not uh, logged in accounts, so you can see you can actually log in to all these accounts, and all the information from your Twitter and from your Facebook etc. all will be shown in this tile. So this is called people tile. Then there is one more tile which is me tile, and this tile shows your personal information and your own notifications. So like Hotmail, Facebook, Twitter, all the notifications will be shown. Again, it shows us, it's asking me to set different accounts, but just trying to show you. So one more very important thing, which I mean, one more important app which you should all know, because I'm assuming that most of you are like first time Lumia or Windows Phone buyer. So uh, this people tile, me tile, then you must remember this store. So this is where you can go and actually you can download different applications. So you can see I'm currently downloading many applications. Apart from that, if you go to messaging, in case of Windows Phone, as I said, it's all about integration. So here the messaging is all very well integrated, and not only you can read messages there, it also shows the Facebook chat in case if you are logged into the Facebook. Currently I'm not logged in into the Facebook, so you cannot see anything, but whoever your Facebook contact will be shown online here in case you are logged in. So actually how to do it, so you will have to go settings, and you can see as soon as I will do Facebook chat, it will ask to correct the, yeah, I mean, it will ask me to log in. So currently I'm not logging in, but once I log in, I'll be able to use my Facebook chat as well. So people tile, me tile, store, messaging. These are really important. So you must remember while doing the setup for the first time. And then you have settings, from where you can go and actually this email accounts is the place from where you can actually control your accounts, and you can use which mail you want to use, etc. Facebook, Twitter, etc. all you can actually log into and start using. Okay. So there is one more way in which you can use your Windows Phone. So this is the integrated way in which Microsoft default. I mean, this is the default Windows Phone way in which Microsoft has envisioned and created Windows Phone to be. But if you are not comfortable with it, which I have seen the case with many, you can actually go and use the Facebook application and Twitter application separately. So you have Facebook here. I can go and I can just long press on this. So this is one more learning. So if you long press on any of the apps, you can pin it to start. So this Facebook comes to the start. Now you long press here, and you can actually take it. So in place of your people tile and me tile, you can directly use Facebook application as well. So again, since I have not logged into the Facebook, it will not show anything, but you can use your chat from Facebook as well, and different, I mean, Facebook is also very capable now for Windows Phone. So this is another way of using your Windows Phone. Either you use in the integrated way, which is the default, or you can actually have I mean, separate applications of Facebook and Twitter. So like we have pinned the Facebook to start, you can also pin the Twitter to start. and you can make it disappear. So, yeah. Apart from that, as when we talk about integration of Windows Phone, even the pictures that you see or the photos is very tightly integrated. Okay. Okay. Now, like coming to, in case you have bought a Lumia, you also have a gift from Nokia, which is the Nokia Music. And in India, especially, we have this unlimited download option. So you have to configure again. You have to have a Nokia account. So if you used a Nokia mobile earlier, then you will have your Nokia account, which you can use here. So this is how, I mean, so here you have to sign in. You can also use your Facebook account or Microsoft account. Since I have a Nokia account with me, I use my Nokia account. I can just sign in. Okay. So these were most important things which you can remember while setting up your Windows Phone for the first time. Okay. Well, I was talking about photos. So you can see your photo app is totally integrated. So you will see the apps. Again, it's asking me to set up my account, but I will not do it now. So you can see the apps, camera roll, albums, everything is integrated. Even if your photo is there in some of your account like Facebook or Twitter, it will show up. So this is beauty of Windows Phone. It's very smooth, and secondly, it's really integrated if you use it in a default way. So table tile, me tile, photos, messaging, you can use chat from here, so etc. Otherwise, if you are coming from, let us say, Android or Symbian, if you're not comfortable with this format, then as I have just mentioned, you can use Facebook, you can use Twitter. These are stand-on applications. And you must remember the store part, and then you have settings where everything houses. So here this email plus account is really important. And again, there are many settings which you can go, and from settings you can actually see these are all the system related settings. Then there are application settings where you can go and control different applications like background task, data sync, Internet Explorer. Photos plus camera, etc. Okay, hope this tutorial and the earlier tutorial have helped you. Do let us know your feedback, and we will come up with walk through the settings, because again there are lots of settings and there may be many which you may not know. So that tutorial will cover the settings part. But for now, let me say thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned.